Duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC owacho ni giikore ne tayo yiero madundo michan tim tich ang'wen jumani e gwenge mopogore opogore e Thurka. Koloso tok romo mar arita e gwenge ma Siakago e kaunti ma Embu, jata tije ka IEBC Marjan Hussein owacho ni karande duto madhi tayo yiero no kanyakla kod gige yiero kinyi chwalo kinyi kuonde duto midhi lutie ombulu. Yiero madundo itimo kuonde chung' od buche maromo 7 e pacho ka, County Senate ma Baringo kaachiel kod wards 17.
What we want to assure the country is that we want to give them a credible election, and each and every agent, each and every stakeholder has a role to play, including even the youth, the other stakeholders, the observers. They have a responsibility. The youth are the ones who are also going to conduct the elections at the polling stations. They are the ones who are going to give, they identify people, they are going to give ballot papers. They have a stake. The observers are there to ensure that the process actually is credible. It's actually given credence. Police officers are going to be there to make sure that there is security. So there's nothing to worry about. Okay. Everything